we will perform the experiment of class 12 titration. In previous video, we have made m by 20 Mohr salt solution, and in this video we have prepared the find out the molarity and strength of given KMnO4 solution. Here is a KMnO4 solution. For this practical or experiment, we need apparatus and chemical. Here you can see this is the burette stand, and this is our burette. Burette at 50 ml. You can see the 50 ml. This is funnel. This is conical flask. We have taken 100 ml conical flask. We have taken 10 ml of pipette. This is the pipette. You can see 10 ml. Test tubes. Here KMnO4 solution we have already prepared, and this is the Mohr salt solution, ammonium ferrous sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid. So students, let's start the practical. Here we take burette and insert in burette stand. We have already rinsed with water the burette before doing the experiment. First we should we have insert the burette stand in the burette. Now we will check the knob of burette should be closed, otherwise the KMnO4 solution will be fallen down. Now we will take KMnO4 solution. Now by the using of funnel we will fill it in 0. Now we will remove the funnel and this is the extra solution, KMnO4 solution. We will here you can see I have filled. We can check the upper meniscus of KMnO4 solution. Now we will take Mohr salt solution by using the pipette. We will take 10 ml of we will fill the mark of, you can see here is a mark. We will put the index finger and we will release the solution slowly. Here you can see we have taken 10 ml and we will transfer this solution in a conical flask. You can see we have transferred the Mohr salt solution. Now we will add dilute sulfuric acid of half test tube to provide acidic medium. You are already known the KMnO4 solution is the oxidizing agent, highly oxidizing agent. We will provide the acidic medium of Mohar salt solution. Now we will add this solution drop by drop in a conical flask. Here you can see we will stir. We will shake it until unless the color should be colorless to pink. We will use it drop by drop. We will find out the end point. Here you can see the color is about to come. We are reaching the end point. Here you can see this is the our end point, colorless to pink. Here we have received the reading of burette 9.4. 9.4. Here you can see the KMnO4 solution in a burette. We have received 9.6. This is the first reading. Here we have received initial reading of burette A is 0. Now final reading of the burette you can see 9.6 ml. Now volume of KMnO4 solution used B minus A. We have received 9.6 minus 0, 9.6 ml. So we will take 3 reading, quadrant reading. Here you can see we have taken second reading of KMnO4 solution. We have received 9.2 ml. We have initial reading is 9.6 and we will reach 19.2. Here you can see we have taken second reading of KMnO4 solution. We have received 9.2. Here you can see 19.2. Here you can see we have received on burette 19.2 and initial reading we have received 9.6. So we will calculate. Here you can see observation table. The molarity of Mohar salt we have taken m by 20 and volume of Mohar salt solution taken of each titration 10 ml. We have taken 10 ml of by the pipette to the in a conical flask. Here we have received this reading. First reading we have take initial reading of the burette X and final reading of the burette Y. The volume of KMnO4 solution used we will minus from this and this. Here we will receive here we have start the reading from initial reading we have received 0 ml. The final reading first we have taken 9.6 ml. So we have minus it, then we have received 9.68 6 ml. Now second 9.6 ml we have, this is the initial reading 9.6, the final reading on burette 19.2 ml, and here we have received minus 19.2 from 9.6. We have received 9.6 ml. Here is second third reading 19.2 initial reading, and this is the final reading 28.6 ml. We have minus 28.6 minus 19.2. We have received 9.4 ml. This is the quadrant volume of 9.5 ml. Thank you. Here, this is the observation table. You can record it. Now here you can see, this is our observation table. You can record it on a file.